I'm Priyanka. I'm part of the graduating class of 2021 and I've been with AISM for 10 years. Teachers are exceptionally important in the community because through one-on-one learning sessions, they encourage individuals to succeed because they recognize that different people learn at different rates and with different methods. What I really like about the Australian curriculum is that it fosters individual ways of thinking rather than having a strict linear path for all its students. The range of subjects that are offered in AISM allows students to really find what they're strong at and really excel in their individualistic aspirations rather than trying to force a single path on the students. And in this way, students are able to excel in what they're really strong at, and it allows us to find really authentic passions, which I really appreciate.